Good morning, teacher Edgar Encalada. Today I'm going to give you a brief explanation about CLT, Communicative Language Teaching. This is the guide part 1. What is CLT? It is a set of principles about methods and syllables where the focus is on meaningful communication, not structure. Use not to usage. In this approach, students are given tasks to accomplish using language of studying the language. The roles of teachers and learners in the classroom. According to CLT, students do much of speaking and often work in pairs or in groups. Teacher is just a facilitator and a guide to correct some errors. Also, where learners are responsible to create their own knowledge. Language teaching has seen many changes about the last 50 years into three phases. Phase 1, that is traditional approaches up to the late 1960s. Phase 2, classic communicative language teaching from 1970s to 1990s. Phase 3, current communicative language teaching, late 1990s to the present. Phase 1. Each phase gave priority to grammatical competence as the basis of language proficiency, as well as its following TPP cycle was often employed in a classroom, presentation, practice, and production. Phase 2. The attention shifts to knowledge and skills needed to use grammar and other aspects of language appropriately, following communicative competence. On the other hand, this phase focuses on purpose setting, role communicative events, language functions, notions, language variety, and grammatical and lexical content. Phase 3. Teaching of language focuses on inductive method in which students are responsible to create their own knowledge with examples. Classroom materials make use of authentic text to create interest and provide valid models of language. Thank you so much.